Sometimes you gotta go back home. Sometimes you gotta revisit your steps. My man Copper Pop, KRS-One. Watch this, y'all. Open up your eyes and realize the times you're living through. You can't always be playing, man, claiming that they listen you as scholars with dollars, mothers and fathers that I'm spitting to. My lyrics, when you hear it, are like vitamins and minerals. But some rappers overdose, talking, playing Chris too close. Too much of a good thing can leave you close to comatose, man. I feel the Holy Ghost. Rappers ain't just talking boats. KRS, Copper Pop, man, we going coast to coast. But watch out now, them cops out now. Copper Pop, you in the ring for the knockout now. On them streets, the guns be like pop, pop, pow. But to get ahead, you gotta be like, not right now. Oh, I think it's time for you to come back home to that type of MC and where your mind gets blown, where the rhyme is speaking puts you in that zone. Hip hop, I think it's time for you to come back home. Yo, Copper Pop, when it comes to the microphone, we travel the world, but always we come back home. Good luck, good skill, good day, bonjour. Stay focused, not hopeless, you'll make it for sure. Pack your shit up, get up, get up. When KRS-One spit up, yes, the whole place wet up. Eyes all red up, your heartbeat sped up. When it comes to the rap game, everybody's fed up. Concrete streets deserve concrete beats, you heard? Live at the temple, we speak the word. Where you can escape what's frequently heard. They used to call me Larry, now I'm fly like Bird. Oh, I think it's time for you to come back home to that type of MC and where your mind gets blown, where the rhyme is speaking puts you in that zone. Hip hop, I think it's time for you to come back home. I just can't take it, man. Is anything sacred, man? How we gonna make it, man? Young girls naked, man, being told to shake it. For other men to take it, and young men fake it, but they scan it and hate it. And the teacher gets debated for the words that he stated. Even though it's the truth, the media won't play it, or write it, or say it. But you still buy it and hate it. Don't hate it, just now recreate it. Raise your mind, why you wasting your time? When I blaze my rhyme, it's like playing a chime. Y'all slaving while I'm not even approaching my prime. I spit rhymes at the drop of a dime. Oh, I think it's time for you to come back home to that type of MC and where your mind gets blown, where the rhyme is speaking puts you in that zone. Hip hop, I think it's time for you to come back home. I get open like clams and spit like crack dams. I am hip hop in the skin of a black man, or really a brown man. On the underground, that CD product we move don't come up on SoundScan. We gets down, man, the books don't come up either. The industry can't track the teacher, so pleased to meet ya. I'm a free MC, sir, at the temple I teach ya to reach for your higher. You gonna be a leader? You can't be a trier. You gotta be an achiever. You can't be a liar. You gotta be a believer, not a deceiver, a striver. Yo, Copper Pop, let's get the crowd live. Oh, I think it's time for you to come back home to that type of MC and where your mind gets blown, where the rhyme is speaking puts you in that zone. Hip hop, I think it's time for you to come back home. Oh, I think it's time for you to come back home to that type of MC and where your mind gets blown, where the rhyme is speaking puts you in that zone. Hip hop, I think it's time for you to come back home. Yeah, rock, yeah. Sometimes you gotta retrace your steps, y'all. Don't be afraid to come back home. Don't be afraid to come back home. Rock with me now. Woo! Copper Pot, you don't stop. Copper Pot, you don't stop. Come on.